My name is Milan Dolaria. In this video, I will explain you exercise 2.5, question number 7 and question number 8. So let's start it with question number 7. So first of all, read the question. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. That means here we need to find the answers by using the identities. Okay. Our first question is 99 cube. Okay, 99 all cube. So nearest number of 99, it is 100. Okay, we can write 100 minus 1, and here cube is there, so we need to write here all cube. Okay, 99 cube. That means we can write like this: 100 minus 1 all cube. Okay, now we can use the identity a minus b all cube. A is equals to 100, b is equals to 1. Okay, so by using this identity we can find the answers. So x minus y all cube is equals to first term cube minus second term cube minus 3 multiply first term multiply second term in bracket first term minus second term. Okay, so here we have 100 minus 1 all cube. So first term cube, so 100 cube. Okay, minus second term cube, it is 1 cube, minus 3 multiply first term multiply second term 3xy. Now in bracket x minus y, that means first term minus second term, 100 minus 1. Okay, now first term cube. Now here 100 cube, so it is easy, we can easily find it. That means this 3 we need to multiply with number of zeros. Here number of zeros is equals to 2. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, total 6 0 we need to write after 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 100 cube, so 3 times 100 multiply 100 multiply 100. Okay, here we have two zeros. Okay, so we need to multiply our exponent with number of 0. 3 2s are 6, so here after 1 we need to write 6 zeros. Okay, then minus 1 cube, it is 1, and this is a single term. Okay, we need to simplify it. So first of all, negative sign. 3 multiply 100, it is 300, multiply 1, it is again 300. Now in bracket 100 minus 1, it is 99. Okay, so now here we have after 160. Okay, minus 1, then minus 300 into 99. So first of all, 10 lakh minus 1. Okay, so 6 times 9, that means 9 lakh 99,999. Okay, answer of this 2, that means 10 lakh minus 1. Now here negative sign is there. Okay, 99 into 3, 99 into 3, so 9 3s are 27 plus 2 2 9, so 297. After that here we have 20, so that we need to put here. Okay, so our final answer is 9,99,999 minus 2 lakh, sorry, 29,700. Okay, so we need to subtract this. So here 999999, and here 00792. Okay, 9 minus 0 9, again 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 2 7, and 9 as it is. Okay, so this is our final answer, 9,70,299. Okay, so we can find 99 cube by using the identity, and our answer is 9,70,299. Okay, second question, it is 102 all cube. So nearest number is 100, right? So we can write like this: 100 plus 2 all cube. Okay, then our answer is first term cube plus second term cube plus 3 multiply first term multiply second term in bracket first term plus second term. Okay, so here first term cube, So 100 cube plus second term cube, it is 2 cube plus 3 multiply first term 100 multiply second term 2, and in bracket first term plus second term, so 100 plus 2. Okay, so first term cube plus second term cube plus 3 multiply first into second, and in bracket first plus second term. Now here 100 cube, again we need to put 6 0 after 1, right? Because 3 multiply number of 0, so 3 to the 6, so 6 0 we need to put here. Then second term 2 cube, 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, so 2 cube it is 8. Now 3 multiply 100 multiply 2, 3 multiply 100, it is a 300 multiply 2, 600. Okay, in bracket 100 plus 2, it is 102. Okay, now answer of this two term, it is a 50 and 8. Okay, that means 10 lakh 8 plus, here we need to multiply 600 with this bracket. So first of all 102 multiply 6, it is a 612, right? And after that we need to put this 20. So 10 lakh 8 plus 61,200. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, 8 plus here 200, and before that 61. Now we need to add these two. So 8 plus 0, 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 2, 2, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 6, 6, and 10 remains as it is. So this is our final answer. Okay, 10 lakh 61,208. Okay, then 998 all cube. Now nearest number is 1000, right? So we can write like this: 1000 minus 2 all cube. Okay, 998 all cube, that means 1000 minus 2 all cube. Again our identity: first term cube minus second term cube minus 3 multiply first term multiply second term plus in bracket first term minus second term. So our first term is 1000, second term is 2. First of all first term cube, so 1000 cube, then negative sign second term cube, it is 2 cube minus 3 multiply first multiply second. So first term 1000 multiply second term 2, and again in bracket first term minus second term, so 1000 minus 2. Okay, this is our identity: x cube minus y cube minus 3xy in bracket x minus y. Here our x is equals to 1000 and y is equals to 2. Okay, now we need to write the answer. Here after 1 we have 3 0 and our exponent is 3, so 3 multiply number of 0, so 3 3s are 9, so after 1 we need to put 9 0. Okay, after 1 we need to write 9 0. Our exponent we need to multiply with number of zeros, so 3 3s are 9, so total 9 zeros after 1. Okay, then here minus 2 cube, so 2 cube it is 8, 2 2 2, 3 times 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, so 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. Okay, then negative sign. Now 3 to the 6, 6 multiply 1000, it is a 6000, and here 1000 minus 2, it is 998. Okay, first of all we need to write the answers of this. Okay, so find the answer. After 1 we have 90. Okay, minus 8. So here 10 minus 8, it is 2. Here 0 becomes 9. Here 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 9. And this becomes a 0. Okay. Remaining all the term, all the number digit as it is. So this 9 here. This one 9. This 9 remains as it is. This one 9. Then this one 9. This one 9. This one 9. And this one 9. So total 2 4 6 7 8, 8 times 9 and 2. Okay, total 8 times 9. minus 998 into 6. Okay, 998 into 6. So 8 6 are 48. Remainder 4. 9 6 are 54. That means here we are doing multiplication process. Okay, 998 into 6. 8 6 are 48. 4 9 6 are 54 plus 4 58. 5 9 6 are 54 plus 5 59. Okay, so 5988. Okay, that we need to write here. 5988. After that we have 30 here because 6000. Okay, so we need to put here 30. Okay, so finally we need to use the subtraction process. So 8 times, here 2 is there. Okay, 8 times 9. Okay, then we need to put 2. We need to subtract here 30, then 8 8 9 5. Okay, then subtraction 2 minus 0 2, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 5 4, and this 2 9 remains as it is. Okay, so 994011992, it is our final answer. Okay, our final answer is 994011992. Okay, then question number 8. Factorize each of the following. Okay, we need to find the factor. Here total 5 internal questions are there. So let's start it with question number 1. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Here total 4 terms we have. First term, it is in the form of cube, and second term, it is also in the form of cube. Okay, total number of terms is equal to 4. First 2 terms are in the form of cube. Then in third and fourth term, one time a square, here b square, here only b, and here only a. Okay, a square b and ab square. Again, total number of terms is equal to 4. First 2 terms are in the form of cube, then a square b and ab square. This is the identity of a plus b all cube. Okay, a cube plus b cube plus 3x ab. Here we use ab, right? That's why. And in bracket a plus b. So final answer of this identity, I already explained you in this thing in theory part. So 3ab multiply a, it is 3a square b, right? A multiply a square. Then 3ab multiply b, it is 3ab square. So this form is given in the equation. A cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? This form is given in the equation. So first of all, we need to convert our equation into this form. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. After that, we can write this answer a plus b all cube. Okay. First of all, question is given in this form. We need to convert in this form, and after that we need to write the answer a plus b all cube. Okay. So here, first of all, 8a cube. So we need to take cube root of 8a cube. Okay, so we can write like this 2a all cube, because 2 cube it is 8 and a cube it is 8. Sorry, a cube it is a cube. Okay, so we can write like this 2a all cube, it becomes 8a cube, right? Then plus here b cube, so we can write like this b all cube. Okay, we just only need to write this 2 bracket. After that we need to do setting. That means after that, which identity, what identity we have? A cube plus b cube plus 3, first bracket, second bracket. Okay, and first bracket plus second bracket. This is our identity, right? First bracket cube plus second bracket cube plus 3 multiply first bracket multiply second bracket in bracket first bracket plus second bracket. That means we need to write here 2a, here we need to write b, and this 2 bracket 2a and plus b, that we need to write here. Okay, first of all we need to write cube root of first two term, after that plus 3, then first bracket second bracket and first bracket plus second bracket. Right now we just only need to check this our setting is correct or not, our step is correct or not. For that what we need to do, here we have 2a, here b, 2a plus b, right? We need to multiply this term with this bracket. Okay, so answer of this term, this is only for the checking. Okay, we do not need to write this. Now multiplication of this term, so 3 to the 6, 6ab, right? If we multiply 6ab with this bracket, so 6ab multiply 2a, so 6 to the 12, a multiply a square b. Okay, then 6ab multiply with this b, so 6 remains as it is and ab square. Okay, this is present in the equation, so our step is correct. Okay, this is only for the checking. Okay, find the answer of this term, then we need to multiply that number with this bracket and we need to check that these things in given in the equation or not. Right now it is given, so that we can use this identity. Okay, so first of all we need to write up to this step. Okay, 2a all cube plus b all cube plus 3 in bracket 2a in bracket b in bracket 2a plus b. Here we need to check, but this checking is our rough work. Okay, after this step we can directly write here first bracket 2a, here sign positive and second term b all cube. Okay, first bracket plus second bracket all cube, this is our final answer. That means our final answer 2a plus b all cube. Okay, 2a plus b all cube, here it is written 3 times, that means cube we have, that's why. Okay, then question number 2, 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Okay, similar types terms are there, so again we can use same identity, but here we have negative sign, so we need to use negative sign. Here first term is 8a cube, so we can write like this 2a all cube. Okay, we can write like this 2a all cube. Then second term we have minus b all cube, so negative sign is before the bracket and b cube, so we can write in the bracket b all cube. Okay, 8a cube, that means 2a all cube, then minus b cube, that means b all cube. Okay, minus 3, here we need to write our first bracket 2a, then we need to write second bracket b, then in bracket this 2a negative sign and b, so 2a minus b. Okay, now we need to check this, means our steps is correct or not. So answer of this 3 bracket is 3 to the 6ab, right? Again 6ab we need to multiply with 2a, it becomes 12a square b. The negative sign is there, so negative sign, 6ab multiply b, it is a 6ab square. Okay, but outside we have minus sign, right? Here minus 6ab we have, so here plus minus minus, but this minus and here minus, it becomes plus. So right now we have this minus 12ab square that we have and plus 6ab square that even we have here, so we can use this identity. Okay, so this is the checking, this is our rough work. Now directly we need to write the answer, our first bracket 2a, then this sign minus second bracket b all cube, that means 2a minus b all cube. Okay, then question number 3, 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225 a square. So in first term we can write like this 3 all cube, because 3 cube it is 27. Okay, and square root of 27 is 3, so 3 all cube, then negative sign, cube root of 125, it is 5, right? Because 5 cube it is 125, so cube root of 125 it is 5. Then we have a, so 5a all cube. Okay, 3 all cube, that means 27, 5a all cube, that means 125a cube. Okay, after that we need to write minus 3 then our first bracket 3, second bracket 5a, and in bracket first minus second, so 3 minus 5a. Okay, now we need to check this. First of all, multiplication of this, 3 3 is a 9, 9 5 is a 45a. Okay, if we multiply this 45a with 3, and here we have negative sign, so plus minus minus, 45 3 is a 135a. Okay, and if we multiply minus 45a with minus 5a, so minus minus plus, 45 5 is a 225, a multiply a square. So these two terms that we have in the answer, so our step is correct. Okay, now we can directly write the answer. Our first bracket 3, here negative sign, and second bracket minus 5a, all cube. Okay, so our answer is 3 minus 5a all cube. Okay, then question number 4. Here we have 64a cube, so square cube root of 64, it is 4, and a is there, so 4a all cube. Okay, 4a all cube, it is 64a cube. Then cube root of 27, it is 3, and b, so 3b all cube. Okay, then we need to write here minus 3, first bracket 4a, second bracket 3b, and in bracket 4a minus 3b. Okay, now we need to check the answer, check the step, right? So here, first of all, answer of this 3 bracket, 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36 ab, right? 36 ab. Now we need to multiply this 36 minus 36 ab with this 4a, so 36 4s are, it is 144, right? And a multiply a square, b remains as it is, plus minus minus. Then we need to multiply this minus 36 ab with minus 3b, so minus minus plus, 36 3s are 108, and ab multiply b, it is ab square. Okay, these two terms we have in the equation, so we can use this identity and directly we can write the answer. Okay, so our answer is first bracket 4a, here negative sign, and minus here 3b all cube. Okay, this is our answer. Then question number 5, 27p cube, so cube root of 27, it is 3, and p is there, so 3p all cube. Okay, then negative sign is there, so negative sign. Now 1 cube root of 1 in numerator, it is 1 only, and cube root of 216, it is 6. Okay, so 1 by 6 all cube. Okay, numerator 1 cube root of 1, it is 1 only, and in denominator cube root of 216, it is 6. Okay, now we need to write here 3, then our first bracket 3p, second bracket 1 by 6, in bracket first term minus second term, so 3p minus 1 by 6. Okay, now we need to check the answer, right? So first of all, we need to find the answer of this bracket. Right now here we can cut this 3 to the, so what we have in numerator, 3p multiply 1, 3p divided by 2. Okay, and before that we have negative sign. Now if we multiply minus 3p by 2 with 3p, so in numerator, first of all plus minus minus, in numerator 3 3 is a 9 p square. Okay, minus 9 p square, and in denominator denominator we have 2. Okay, so minus 9 p square by 2, and if we multiply this minus 3p by 2 with minus 1 by 6, okay, minus 3p by 2 multiply minus 1 by 6, so minus minus becomes plus, so here plus. Then we can cut this, 3 to the 6. Okay, now in numerator we have only p. Okay, and in denominator here 2 to the 4. So this is our answer of this bracket, right? So minus 9p square by 2 plus p by 4. that we already have in the equation. Okay, that we already have in the equation. That means we can use this identity. Our step is correct. Okay, so our answer is first bracket 3p, negative sign, second bracket 1 by 6 all cube. So 3p minus 1 by 6 all cube. This is our answer. Okay, thank you.